Hello everyone! Welcome to the QD001 Smart Car teaching course, Section 1-1. What is a smart car? Every day, we go to school and travel by car. What traffic issues might we run into? Things like traffic jams, fatigue driving, or even accidents. These problems make our journeys crowded, exhausting, and dangerous. So, is there a car that can help us solve these problems? Yes, there is. The smart car, the safety guardian of future mobility. It can detect obstacles in advance and avoid them automatically, making travel safer, more efficient, and more convenient. Part 1. What is a smart car? Do you know what a smart car is? A smart car is an autonomous mobile platform that integrates sensor technology, automatic control, artificial intelligence, and communication modules, enabling it to perceive its environment, plan paths, and perform tasks without human intervention. A smart car integrates three systems: the perception system, the decision-making system, and the execution system. The perception system acts as the car's eyes and ears, collecting external environmental information through sensors. The decision-making system serves as the car's brain, responsible for analyzing perception data and formulating driving strategies. The execution system functions as the car's limbs, responsible for precisely carrying out the decision-making commands. Part 2. Application scenarios of smart cars. In fact, smart cars have quietly entered our lives. Nowadays, self-driving cars can navigate city streets on their own. AGV logistics vehicles in factories transport goods in warehouses. Hospital drug delivery carts accurately distribute medication. There are also sweeping robots, security patrol vehicles, and more, all using intelligence to assist us with various tasks. Part 3. QD001 Smart Car. The smart car model we use is the QD001 Smart Car. The QD001 is a modular smart car specifically designed for education and maker scenarios. Suitable as a hands-on platform for introductory courses in robotics and autonomous driving. Do you want to experience these interesting smart cars firsthand and learn how they work? The QD001 Smart Car can help you achieve that. The QD001 Smart Car has a powerful brain, the ESP32 controller board, motors that provide strong driving power, a perception system for detecting the external environment, ultrasonic sensors, trace sensor, IR receiver module, and a servo motor that works with the ultrasonic sensor. Moreover, it can interact with the outside world using buzzers and LEDs. Part 4. Build a QD001 Smart Car. Remove the protective paper attached to the acrylic. Please combine videos and assembly documentation to build the product accurately. Now the red wire connects to the V pin of the tracing sensor. Now the motor bracket is installed on the other side of the motor with a convex point. Install the remaining 3 motors in the same way. Note when installing the motor convex points need to face out. Install the 4 motors in the directions shown in the video. Note: pay attention to distinguish the front and back sides of the acrylic. Upper board, as shown in the video, is the front side. Note: only 3 screws need to be locked here. Use a cross sleeve to reinforce. Finally, install the ESP32 car shield. Note the motor shaft of the servo motor faces forward. Note servo rocker arm is from the servo package. Note: install the ultrasonic sensor facing directly forward. Note the cable orientation of the battery holder is shown in the video. Note when installing the battery, make sure to identify the positive and negative terminals before proceeding with the installation. Finally, connect the battery holder cable to the controller board. Note pass the connecting wire of the module on the lower aquila plate to the round hole on the upper aquila plate. Note the magnet wheel cannot be installed randomly. It needs to be installed strictly in accordance with the video, and the green of the 4 wheels is crossed. Note: ensure that all cables are correctly connected before powering on the device to avoid burning the modules. And controller board. The line of tree sensor is connected to line drag. Attention to the red line needs to be connected to 5 volts. The line of servo motor is connected to 25. Attention to the brown line needs to be connected to GND. As shown in the video, the upper left motor connect to M1, the lower left motor connect to M2, the upper right motor connect to M3, and the lower right motor connect to M4. The line of ultrasonic sensor is connect to ultrasonic. Attention to GND connect to GND VCC, connect to 5 volts. Trick connect to 13, echo connect to 14. Note the color of the 3-pin DP line is blue, red, and black. The blue connect to S pin of the sensor. The red is connect to V pin, and the black connect to the G pin. The LED module in the lower left is connected to 2, and the LED module in the upper part is connected to 12. Attention to the black line connect GND. The line of I or receiver module is connect to 4. The line of P buzzer module is connect to 33. Attention to the black line connect to GND. Use cable ties to arrange the lines. See you in the next lesson.